thinking about Christmas. And if you're like me, I love giving people presents, and I'm just not a high baller. On a budget, Christmas presents, we love to home make things. This year, we're thinking of gifting a few different things, all jarred. Number one being vanilla. We got these bottles off of Amazon. It comes with shrink wrap if you want to seal it. It also comes with a gold marker to label bottles and the tags. Each box has 12 bottles, so also rinse your bottles. We are keeping the box. We're gonna put the bottles back in the box just to store it more easily. Grab you a cutting board. We did order a 50 count bag of vanilla beans. Open these beans. They smell really good. Ooh, they look like candy. This is what they look like. Give them a simple slit down the middle. Yeah, don't cut all the way. Just make a little slit. Little peekaboo. I didn't know vanilla was made out of alcohol until I met my husband's grandma, and she was telling us a story how she used to go to the grocery stores and buy vanilla extract when she was like 13 and get a low Anywho, we got them all slivered up. As pop maybe like 3 in each one. If we have some left over, I'll do 4 in each one. If my math is mathing, exactly enough to do 4 in each one. So there it is. It smells so good. Our handy dandy funnel. We'll give it a rinse before we use it. Western Sun vodka. I was gonna go to Costco and get vodka, but these were $8 off. We'll cover the beans in the good stuff, and we'll stop when it gets to the neck. We just got done filling all the bottles. You open by pulling the latch up, and then you can pull the top off like that. So when we close them, you pull the lid on, and then you'll seal it by pulling this down. Every 2 days or so, you can go give your bottles a little shake. They'll eventually be brown, and about a week, your liquid will look completely brown. Use the tags to label them. 4 to 6 weeks, the vanilla is ready. So if you're doing them at Thanksgiving time, then they'll be ready by Christmas to gift. Do 12 of those jars. I used 2 whole bottles of vodka. Thank goodness they were $8 off. You could probably get vodka in bulk at Costco. This rest of the vodka, I have till about the sticker, so I probably just use a quarter bottle. We're gonna use for our other set of jars. Stay tuned.